Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can exit from big picture mode on Steam. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Alright, so I am running Steam here on big picture mode. So what you have to do is simply press the escape button on your keyboard and that should bring up the options on your left panel. Now from the options, click on power. And from the options next, you can click on exit big picture mode in here. Now once you click that, it will go back to Steam's regular window. So if you want to start Steam without going to the big picture mode, what you can do is go to Steam's settings. Now to do that, click on the button that says Steam. And from here, click on settings. Now from the pop-up options, find the option that says Start Steam in Big Picture Mode and click on the box to deselect this item. Click on OK, and after this, when you log into your Steam account again, it is not going to start in Big Picture Mode. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.